Let's set up a clean, easy-to-use affiliate tracking app in Glide from start to finish. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Glide website. If you already have an account, click Login and sign in. Once you're in, you'll land on the main workspace. Click the Apps area, then choose New App. When prompted for a starting point, pick Blank so you're working from a fresh slate, and click Create App. Glide will generate a new project with a placeholder name, and you'll be taken into the builder. Next, move into the Data section. This is the heart of your app, where you define the structure of your information. Think of it like a built-in spreadsheet designed specifically for your app. Click the plus icon next to Tables and select Blank Table. This gives you an empty table ready for your affiliate records. You might notice your app has a random name at the top of the screen. Click that name and rename the project to Affiliate Tracker. Clear naming helps you stay organized, especially if you build more apps later. Now, let's build the columns you'll need. In your new table, click the plus button beside the column headers to add each field, and select the correct type so your data behaves the way you expect. Create a text column called Affiliate Name. Add another text column for product so you can record what each affiliate is promoting. Add a text column for platform to capture where the promotion happens, like a website, a social channel, or an email newsletter. Add a number column named Commission to store the payout amount. Using a number type makes calculations easier later on. Add a text column called Status to track the stage of each deal. Create a date column named Date to log when the deal was created or when a payment was made. Finally, add a text column called Notes for any extra details that don't fit elsewhere. With your structure in place, add a few sample entries so you can see how everything comes together. Enter a couple of affiliate names, their corresponding products, where they're promoting, an estimated commission, a date, and any notes that provide context. For the status field, start with values like pending, paid, and canceled. Keeping status values consistent will help you filter and organize your records more effectively later. Once you have some sample data, switch to the Layout section. This is where your app's screens and components live. On the left navigation area, click the plus icon next to Navigation and choose Screen from Data. When asked to pick the data source, select the data from the app you just created so the new screen pulls directly from your table. For how you'd like to display the collection, choose Kanban. Kanban is great for tracking work through stages because it shows items as cards you can review at a glance. Name this new tab Affiliate Deals so it's clear what users will find there. Click the Kanban component on the canvas to configure it. In the right side settings panel, set the source to your affiliate table so it displays the records you just entered. For the title of each card, choose Affiliate Name. For the description, pick Product so each card shows who the affiliate is and what they're promoting. Using these two fields keeps the cards clear and scannable, which is especially helpful as your list grows. Now, add a way for users to create new entries from the app. Click Add Component, then select Button. Rename the button to Add Affiliate Entry. Click to select the button, and in the right panel, set its action to Show Form Screen. This action presents a form connected to your table when someone taps the button. Because your table already has the right columns, the form will reflect those fields, which keeps data entry consistent. It also prevents users from having to navigate into the data section, making it a smoother experience for anyone adding information. With structure, layout, and basic interaction set, share your app so others can use it. Click Share in the top right corner. You can copy the app link and send it through your usual channels, or invite collaborators by entering their email addresses so they receive a direct invite. This is helpful if you want teammates to add or review entries without giving them access to the builder. At this point, you have a simple yet effective affiliate tracker powered by Glide. Your Data tab defines what you store. Your Kanban layout makes the information visual and easy to browse. And your Add Affiliate Entry button ensures new records can be added quickly from anywhere. If you maintain consistent statuses such as pending, paid, and canceled, you'll find it much easier to scan progress at a glance. Clear names for affiliates, products, and platforms will help you search and filter as the number of records grows. And entering dates and commissions as the correct data types avoids confusion when you later want to sort by time or tally payouts. Take a moment to double check that your sample entries look right on the Affiliate Deals tab and that the form opens when you tap the button. If something looks off, return to the component settings on the right panel and confirm that the source, title, and description fields point to the correct columns. Small tweaks here ensure a clean, consistent display. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. It really helps support the channel.